is part 2 of my drive through a winter storm. In America they call them blizzards. Just to my left here is the yard for the Royal Canadian Yacht Club. So there's some pretty big boats there. And just going over this old bridge here. It's like a lift bridge. And there's not a lot of traffic out, but just gonna look at the waves coming through there. That's all actually a driving range. There's more boats there. And let's just keep our eye on the road. But, you know, a lot of wind here, blowing snow. And this is, what you're about to see is really special. I have just discovered today that this new bridge is open. Look at this kind of high-tech bridge. What they're doing here is diverting a river, the Don River. It used to turn sharply, and now it's going to have a rounded turn. And we can see the channel there. There's a ship right there, freighter. And here's a snow plow. You just don't want to get in the way of these guys. That's all I can say. Toronto's finest snowplows. This is all part of this massive redevelopment area. Look at those cranes everywhere. And this is the Cherry Street Barbecue Restaurant. But look at the wind coming through there, right? Green light. Look at those trees moving in there. Another bridge. And I think on that note, I'll end this video.